Let's learn how to create a user interface using Swift code. Let's learn how to create label, text box, button and set their constraints. Start a new project and open the View controller. First let's create this label. Private variable title label. UI label. Create label. UI label. Return label. Label.text equals register. Put equals here. Can be included in view. View.subview. Title label. Run. The label does not display. Constraints should be added for that. Title label.translate authorizing mask into constraints. Equals false. This is required to add the constraint. Title label. Center X anchor. Dot constraint. Equal to. View.center X anchor. Is active. Equals true. X anchor is set to center. Top anchor constraint. View.safeAreaLayoutGuide.top anchor. Constant 0. Is active equals true. OK. Label is displayed. Change the constant. Distance is increased. Change the font and size of the label. Label.font. UI font. Font name. Courier New. PS Bold MT. Size 40. OK. All the controls that are added now require constraints and can be called as a function. Create new file. File name extensions. Import UI kit. Create an extension for UI view. First let's create a function for center X anchor. Cut. Func center X. Parameter in view UI view. Paste this. Remove title label. Call function. Title label.centerX function. View. OK. Let's prepare the function to set anchors, width and height. Cut this anchor constraint. Func anchor. Top, NS layout Y-axis anchor. Default nil. So left. NS layout X-axis anchor. Then right. NS layout X-axis anchor. Bottom. NS layout Y-axis anchor. Top padding. CG float. Default 0. Left padding. Right padding. Width. CG float. Height CG float. Then create the function. Include translate autoresizing mask into constraints. Equals. False. If let top equals top. Top anchor dot constraints equal to top. Constraint top adding variable. Is active true. Then left. Left anchor. Left. Left padding. Right. Minus right padding. Need to add bottom padding. Set bottom anchor. minus bottom padding. Then set width and height. Height anchor. Constraint. Equal to constraint height. Is active true. Then width. Then call the function. Title label.anchor. Only the top is required here. Top.safeAreaGuide.topAnchor. Top padding defaults to 0. Then run. OK. Then text field. Name text field. UI text field. Let TF equals UI text field. TF.border style equals none. Set font size. Background color white. Set attribute placeholder. NS attributed string. String name. Attributes. NS attributed string.key.foreground color. UI color.black. Return TF. Then view.add subview. View name text field. Then constrain. Name text field.center X. In view. Name text field.anchor. Top title label.bottom anchor. Left. View.left anchor. Right. View.right anchor. Top padding 20. Left padding 40. Right padding 40. OK, text displayed. Since there are more text fields to create, it can be made into a function. Copy. Open extensions. Create new text field extension. Func text field. The difference is only in the placeholder, so it can be passed as a parameter. With placeholder. Placeholder. String. Return type UI text field. Paste code. Remove this declaration. Change placeholder name. Placeholder. OK, then call the function. Remove this code. Return UI text field. Select text field with placeholder. Placeholder name. Run the app. OK. Now just copy and paste this. For more text fields. If we create a stack here, we can add all the elements in it. A constraint as common is enough to comment it and do so. Let stack equals UI stack view. Arranged subviews. This is a list. Add all subviews in here. Add our text field. Name text field. Stack.axis equals vertical. Stack.distribution fill equally. Stack.spacing 20. View.add subview. Stack. Then use our anchor function. Stack.anchor. Use the same constraints. Run. OK. Add more text fields. Copy and paste. Address text field. Placeholder address. Add in stack. Then place text field. Include in stack. Then run the app. Placeholder text color can be made gray. OK. Finally, we can stop learning by creating a Save button. UI button. Let button equals UI button. Type system. Button.set title. Save. For normal. Set title color. UI color.white. For normal. Background color equals blue. Return button. Add in stack. Save button. Run. OK. Button.layer.corner radius equals 5. Button.height anchor. Constraint equals 40. Is active true? Thank you for watching.